Tamil Nadu, India. When famous for being the fifth abode of Lord Muruga, Sri Subramanya Swami, Arulmigu Subramanya Swami Temple, Tiruttani. The beautiful temple of Lord Muruga at Tiruttani crowns a single rock 700 feet above sea level. It is situated amidst a range of hills with a dramatic panoramic view. This sacred place is on the Chennai-Mumbai, 13 kilometers from Arakkonam and 1984 kilometers from Chennai. Around this town are famous religious places such as Kanchipuram, Banaras of the south, on the south, Sholingar and Valimlai on the west. The popular and renowned pilgrimage center, Tirupati, otherwise called Balaji, and Kalhasti, with its Vayulingam on the north, and Tiruvalangadu, of Puranic fame, with Lord Nataraja. Greatness of Tiruttani Puranic importance. Of Lord Murugan's 6 Padaividus, Thiruthani ranks prominent as the crown jewel of our Lord. As its very name indicates, when we propitiate our Lord in this holy shrine, He blesses us with mental peace and bodily happiness. His righteous indignation towards the Asuras for their cruelty is said to have been quelled and cooled at this place, which is, therefore, known as Shantipuri, abode of peace. As the prayers and desires of the devotees who worship our Lord Tanikesan on this hill with unswerving faith and intense devotion are fulfilled in no time, this hill is also called Chaniksalam. When Lord Murugan came to this hill after wedding goddess Valli at Vallimlai, she implored him to enlighten her on the importance and greatness of this hill. In reply, our Lord said that if one worshipped Him with heart and soul for 5 consecutive days in this hill temple, that person would be blessed with all that is best in this life and hereafter.